Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is a flip through of a project that I made. There's a tutorial available on YouTube. I also would like to mention that my friend Kyung Shotwell from Wonders by Wink on Etsy made this digital kit, and it's really awesome. So the first thing is that it's 3 books in one, and or 3 folios in one. And another thing that you might notice is this brown around the edges. This is made from Manila folders, and the brown is brown medical tape, micropore medical tape put around the edges. Okay, so the first thing is this that comes off the front, and it's got a pocket on this side, and then it opens this way. Oops, it's upside down. Isn't that the way with flip throughs, right? And these two come out, and this one's a tuck, and it says, "As the dewdrops fall from the daisies, so do her worries." And then when you take these 2 tags out, then you can see the daisies behind. Now, in the tutorial, I didn't really decorate because I left it up to the person watching the video as to how they would want to decorate, but there is quite a bit of ephemera that comes with the kit. And then it opens up again this way, and there's 2 pockets, and yes, these are uneven on purpose. And it's got some beautiful birds. And then, of course, oops, see how good the Velcro works? And then once you close it up, then you've got the back, and it's got the 2 Velcro pieces. So I'm going to set that to the side. Then book 2, you open it up, and it's got like a stuffed pocket on one side. Like I said, this is tags and ephemera that come with the kit that I put in there just as placeholders, so that you could see how many pockets there are. Now, there's actually 6. If you look, there's a long pocket that goes all the way down to the bottom, down to here. Then there's a shorter pocket. Then there's another long pocket that goes way down. These are not long enough, but this one goes all the way from here to here. Then this one is another short one. There's another short one right there. Oh, I guess I should put a tag in there. And then down here at the bottom of the stack is an envelope that I just tucked in there. And when you open the envelope, then there's room for some ephemera down in there. And this is a very pretty ephemera picture that I used on the front of the envelope. Well, goodness. Okay, setting the envelope to the side, it goes in that pocket. Then the third book is a flip book, and it has brads in it, and it also removes with some Velcro dot or squares. Underneath is another stacked pockets, and these were offcuts from when I made this, and I just made them into ephemera. And then here's some more writing cards that go in here, and some larger writing cards in the back. And then inside this book, sorry about that, this whole thing slid. When you flip it open, there's a notebook with some hand-dyed blue writing paper inside, and it's held in by a belly band, and it's replaceable. So when you run out of room, you can put it back in, put another one in there, and write some more. So you could take it with you. You can just take this out and take it with you to the store or whatever, and just flip it open and look at your list. Okay. And then when you go to the back, then it's just a nice plain back with the beautiful paper. And once again, you could put some ephemera on here. You probably wouldn't want to make it too thick so that it would lay flat. So this is Gray Daisy, and I hope you enjoyed the flip through. And I will see you again in the next flip through or the next tutorial. And that will be probably a second for you and a day for me. Alrighty, bye-bye.